Well, what's going on with y'all this morning? I'm usually up early, but I'm usually not headed out to do anything until about 8 o'clock. So it's a little bit early this morning. Let me flip you around here. Still got the fog settling. We're getting ready to get on the road to go pick up this new project. Dylan's already got the truck started. We're ready to roll. Well, folks, we made it. We just got to pick us out one. Uh-oh, there's a 65. Hey, if y'all need anything blasted or anything done, there you go. Check him out. He's got all kinds of stuff. Oh, 65 or 4 or 3. This is what we got, folks. Long wheelbase S10 LS 4L60 transmission. Now let me show you what it's going in. Which one of these? Which one of these is it going to be? This one right here. 54. It's going to be a patina job. We're going to fix this, that, and the other. We're going to make it real nice where it needs to be nice, and we're going to leave it patina where it needs to be left. This one is going to be for sale. The owner, the whole goal behind it is to fix it, to sell it. So y'all be telling your friends, be sharing, just letting you know it's gonna be setting right, running right, and looking right. Trailer's empty. So here's what we're into. Long wheelbase S10 LS 4.8 4L60E, and we are on our way back to pick up the 54. So what we're going to do, our plans is LS swap 54 patina truck, lowered, you know, all the new stuff up front up here. We're going to buy the Henry Panza kit so that the cab and everything will mount right up on there. We'll get everything mocked up, and then we'll blast it, put it in 3 good coats of epoxy. You know the deal. But this is how we're going to roll. We're going to try one. Everybody else is doing them. We can do what they can do. So y'all stay tuned. We'll have us go back and get us a truck. All right. Just like that, this is what we've got. Pretty rough, but that's what a person has to do to make a patina truck. We got big plans for this thing. Get it blasted inside, get all the glass out, new rubber, back glass is smoked up a little bit. Main thing we want to do is keep the patina, you know, the blue and brown, the rust. Oh, it's got a Bluetooth bracket on there. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Oofta. Got a little bit of Actually, it's got a little bit of rod everywhere. Once you get it up in your teeth on the trailer where you can see, got a Bluetooth bracket right there, which none of that will probably be used. Like I said, we are swapping it, taking it down low, getting it ready to go. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned for this build. Not so sure exactly when we're gonna get started. Client, he's coming by today. Well, I hope he comes by today. We're just getting everything picked up for him. Y'all stay tuned. Well, we made it back here to the house. Dropped my can. What you see is what you get. Guy that owns it, he's coming down. Ain't none of that fixed itself since we left, has it? But to add to our day, we fixed to jump in this square body here and go to rollover racing down in Spiece and pick up the rear end and transmission for the '99 Trans Am. So y'all stay tuned.